I'm about to show you car mods. So unexpected, your brain will hit the brakes before your feet do. Number 10. The sideways wheel car. Yes, wheels that rotate 90 degrees so you can crab walk into a parking spot. It uses hub-mounted swivel assemblies, independent in-wheel motors. Turning radius basically becomes who cares. Downsides? Complex electronics, tire wear, and it's not street legal in most places. Number 9. Flame-throwing exhaust. It's not nitrous, it's spark plugs in the tailpipe igniting unburnt fuel. Big blue fireballs, bigger chances of melting your bumper or your eyebrows. If you try it, use heat shields, proper fuel cut control, and never on public roads. Number 8. Transparent hood. Polycarbonate hood so you can flex that engine bay. It's lightweight and scratch-resistant coatings exist, but heat distortion and UV haze are real. Great for shows, terrible for stealth. Number 7. Magnetic color shift wrap. Electrochromic film wired to a simple controller. Tap a button, the hue flips. Looks like sci-fi, drinks your battery like a smoothie. Keep a DC-DC converter and fuse it right. Number 6. Airless tires. 3D latticed wheels that can't puncture. Ride is firm, road noise odd, but you'll never change a flat again. Watch the speed rating. Most consumer versions cap out lower than standard rubber. Number 5. Gull-wing doors. On a Civic. Hinges move out, then up. It's cutting and bracing, not a simple bolt-on. If you don't reinforce the A and B pillars, your door gaps will look like the Grand Canyon. Number 4. Aquarium trunk. Fully sealed acrylic tank, separate power for pumps, and a relief drain for slosh. It's basically a fish spa on wheels. Adds 100 plus pounds of water weight and screams, "Please pull me over." Number 3. Jet turbine booster. Tiny turbojet mounted in the rear for show flames and whoosh. It won't drive the wheels, but it will spike heat and noise to airport levels. Fire suppression system is non-negotiable. Number 2. Active Aero from a game controller. Arduino Servo flaps brake-tied logic manual override mapped to an old gamepad. At 60 miles per hour, downforce you can feel. At 0 miles per hour, clout you can post. Keep wiring loomed and weather sealed. Number 1. The upside down truck. A body shell mounted inverted on a normal chassis. Headlights on the ground, wheels on the roof. It drives perfectly fine. Your brain does not. Visibility is the real mod here. Camera mirrors and a heads-up display make it barely practical. Rapid-fire honourable mentions. Grass turf wrap. Lawn you can mow with a limb roller. Train mow. Fun until your neighbours form a committee. Hydraulics that jump. Awesome. Terrifying for your control. Glow in the dark. Charges into the moves like a jellyfish. Steps fast. Let's hit a quick checklist before you mark. Legal. Emissions. Lighting code. Signs. Check your state forms before your warrant. Safety. Talk space. Lock nuts. Heat shield. And certified installers. Power. Alternating capacity and fuse ratings. Don't cook your room. Insurance. Disclose mods or risk denial when it matters most. Testing. Empty lot. Extinguisher on air. Muddy with a camera and common sense. If you've seen a wild mod, drop it in the comments. I'm hunting the absolute strangest build